www.thevcap.com. Premium MCX, NSE SMS tips and software. 4 methods for selecting perfect stock. PE method. Don't be scared of high PE shares which might be hitting new highs. Investors using a bias against high PE shares have missed out on the majority of the greatest winners in recent history. You can get PE value of any Indian stock at website www.moneycontrol.com. Going against herd. The best trades are usually the ones having a technically perfect setup, the place you also hate the share, or fear so much it. If everyone hates a share, this would mean that everyone has now sold the share, and there's only one direction in which the stock will go, and that is up. Click link provided in description for many more videos, powerful tricks and strategies. Bollinger Band. If a share is trading below its lower Bollinger Band, and most traders are bearish about the share, then you've got the perfect setup to get a share that has a high chance of returning to the middle Bollinger Band. You can get Bollinger value of any Indian stock at website www.moneycontrol.com. Manages well in market correction. Buy shares that manage well in a market correction. If the index is down and your share is flat or a little bit up, it must continue to outperform in the event when market recovers. This is simply because the share is most probably being accumulated by big institutions who've been supporting the share and acquiring on dips. If you need high accuracy MCX and NSE tips, quality 1 or 2 tips per script, then join us now. Our service includes Premium MCX NSE NCDE XBSE, Intraday Cash and F&O, SMS tips and software. If you liked this video, then like it, share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel.